Hi children, good morning. Take your activity book children, all of you. Take page number 35. Page number 35. Okay children, see here. Already we finished word problems in course book and workbook, yes or no? Now in activity book. See here children. Solve the following word problems. Solve the following word problems. See children here. Anand found 25 blue stones and 75 green stones on the beach. How many stones did he find altogether? See children here. Here Anand found how many blue stones? 25. How many blue stones ma? 25. How many green stones? 75. Here Anand found 25 blue stones and 75 green stones on the beach. How many stones did he find altogether? Here we should find total number of stones he find altogether. Here place is not sufficient, my children. Now take your rough notebook and write down. See children, take your rough notebook and write down first sum answer. Okay. Start writing ma. One answer. Okay. Number of capital N O dot and O dot OF of means number of. NO means number. NO dot OF of number of. Give little finger gap. Blue. BLUE blue. Number of blue. After that give little finger gap. Stones. STONES stones. Number of blue stones. Okay children. Put is equal to here. Okay. How many blue stones are there? How many blue stones he find? 25. Give after line, give little finger gap. 2, 5, 25. Write down in second line number of. Give little finger gap. Number of green stones. Number of G down letter. REEN green. Give little finger gap ma. Stones. STONES stones. Number of green stones is equal to how many? 75. 75. Here put plus symbol. Why? Because addition symbol is plus. Yes or no? Addition symbol is. Next, third step. Total number of stones. Capital TOTAL. Total. Little finger gap. NO dot OF of. Total number of. Give again little finger gap. Stones. 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 Next. Is equal to. Draw like this ma. Now we have to do addition. How to do addition? First take in ones place under number fingers. Under number is 5. So take 5 fingers. Take 5 fingers. Which number after you have to count now? 5 after. 5 after. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 10 is came. Yes or no? 10 means 0 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. Write down 0 here, 5, this is 1's place, this is 10's place. Yes or no? So write down 0 in 1's place and 1 in 10's place here. Okay? Next. Here take 7 fingers, 2 after you have to count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Plus under 1 and 7 under 1. So totally how many stones you find all together? Yes, there are 100 stones. Okay, we will see the second sum. Shruti bought 46 chocolates for her brother's birthday and 53 chocolates for her sister's birthday. How many chocolates did she buy in total? Here see. Shruti bought 46 chocolates for her brother's birthday. How many chocolates she bought, children, for her brother's birthday? 46. Her sister's birthday? 53 chocolates. How to find out total number of chocolates she buy in their birthdays? Okay? Okay, now take your rough notebook again, ma. Start writing, leave one line. Write down second problem answer. Number of chocolates, capital N-O dot O-F of, number of, give little finger gap, chocolate, C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E-S, chocolates, bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought, for brother, F-O-R, for brother, B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. See children here, number of, give little finger gap, chocolates after, give little finger gap, bought after, little finger, next for after also, give little finger gap. Put is equal to here. How many chocolates she bought for his brother? Yes, 46. 4, 6, 46. Give little finger gap after is equal to. Next, number of chocolates. N-O dot O-F of means number of. Give little finger gap. Chocolate, C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E-S, chocolates. Give little finger gap. Bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. Give little finger gap. F-O-R, for. Give little finger gap. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. What is equal to, how many chocolates she bought for sister? 53. Give little finger gap after is equal to, children. Write down 4 under 5 and 6 under 3. Put addition symbol before 5. Okay. Total number of chocolates. T, capital T, O, T-A-L, total. Give little finger gap. N-O dot O-F of, total number of chocolates. Give little finger gap here. Chocolate, C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E-S, chocolates, is equal to, now we have to do addition. Take under number fingers, take 3. 6 after you have to find out. 6 after, 7, 8, 9. Next take 5 fingers. 4 after, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, how many chocolates, children, totally she bought for brother and sister? For her brother and sister, 99 chocolates. Okay children, now see the third sum here. Tom has 132 storybooks. Salman has 241 storybooks. How many books in all? Here Tom has how many? 132 storybooks. Solomon has 241. Total number of books are how many? You have to find out now. Okay, take your rough notebook, children, again. Leave one line and write down third problem answer. Okay, number of storybooks. NO.OF of number of. You little finger gap like this. Story. STORY down letter. Story, give little finger gap. Books. 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 Give little finger gap. Capital TOM. Tom. Little finger gap. HAS. Has. Number of story books Tom has. Put is equal to here. Okay. How many books? 132. Next. NO.OF of. Give little finger gap. STORY. Story. Give little finger gap again. BOOKS. Books. Give little finger gap again. Solomon. S capital letter ALMAN. Solomon. You finger gap again. HAS. Has. Now put is equal to symbol. How many books Solomon has, children? 241. Put plus symbol. This is addition symbol. Okay. Next. Total number of story books. TOTAL. Capital T here. Total, give little finger gap. NO.OF means number of. Give little finger gap. STORY down letter. Give little finger gap. Books. 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 Now put is equal to Nana. Next you have to do addition now. Okay. Take under number finger first. Take one finger. 2 after 3. Write down 3 in one's place. Take 4 fingers here. 3 after. You have to count now. Take 4. 3 after. 4, 5, 6, 7. Write down 7. Next take 2 fingers. 1 after 2, 3. Write down 2 under 3. How many storybooks Tom and Solomon have? Yes, there are 373 storybooks. Once again check it, these 3 sums, Nana. Now fourth sum. A pet store has 58 birds. The owner bought 16 more birds. How many birds are there in the pet store now? Already in that pet store has how many birds? 58. Again owner bought how many birds? 16. So now totally how many birds are there in pet store? How to do addition, add these two numbers. That's why only you have to find out the total number of birds in the pet store. Okay children, here in first page place is not there, yes or no? So turn the next page. So write down fourth one answer. Okay children, number of birds in pet store. Capital NO.OF of number of. Give little finger gap. Birds. 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 Number of birds in pet store. In after give finger gap pet. PET pet. After give finger gap store. STORE store. Number of birds in pet store. Put is equal to how many? 58. 58. Give little finger gap. After is equal to ma. Okay, next step. Number of birds. NO.OF of. Number of birds. 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 Owner bought. Give little finger gap. Owner. 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 Give little finger gap. Bought. BOUGHT. G down letter HT. Bought. Number of birds owner bought is equal to how many? 16. Write down 5 under 1, 8 under 6 and also put addition symbol before 1. Okay. Next, total number of birds. Capital T. Write neatly children. Capital TOTAL. Total. Give little finger gap. NO.OF. Total number of. Give little finger gap. Birds. 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 Total number of birds is equal to. Now we have to do addition here. Here take under number fingers. Take 6 fingers all of you. 8 after you have to count now. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes or no? Here 14 is came. 14 means 4 is in 1's place, 1 is in 10's place. Write down 4 is in 1's place and 1 is in 10's place, that is carrying number. Yes or no? 4 is in 1's place, 1 is in 10's place. Here take 1 finger, 5 after 6, 6 plus 1, 6 after 7. Write down 7. Here see children, total number of birds are how many here in that pet store? There are 74 birds. Okay children, practice these 4 sums in your slate or rough notebook again children. We will meet again in next class. Thank you children. Bye.